Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is buoyant. It is pronounced boy-unt, and it is spelt B-U-O-Y-A-N-T. Tricky spelling there. Think B-U, then the letter O, and then yant. Buoyant means having a tendency to float or rise in a liquid or gas. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is light and floats easily. For example, you could say, the buoyant balloons rose up into the sky. And that, of course, is alliteration as well. Or, she was buoyant in the water and swam easily. The word buoyant comes from the Latin word boiare, which means to float. It was originally used to describe something that floated easily. The same meaning as today. Can you think of anything that could be described as buoyant? Well, how about a boat? A vehicle which floats and travels over the sea. Imagine you are at the beach now. Have you ever seen the colourful floats near the shore? They're usually yellow or orange in colour. These floats are called buoys, named after the word buoyant, as they float in a certain place to show boats and people any shallow reefs or underwater hazards that they should avoid. Synonyms for buoyant include light, floating, and afloat. Antonyms for buoyant are heavy, sinking, and submerging. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, buoyant. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.